No, but like, watering my plants or something in the courtyard in the morning and like, hear this like sermonizing or something heading up the hill and I'm like, what the hell is that?
Oh, that's nice.
A couple of mornings I couldn't hear anything clearly enough, but then last, I knew it might have been Saturday, it wasn't necessarily Sunday, but like hearing like, hell, it's pretty good.
Oh, yeah. When it's quiet at all times, it echoes. Right?
Yeah, it does. But then there's a lot of different churches down there that are setting their bells off at all different times, so that's very cool. I kind of like Saturday mornings, yeah.
Probably be fireworks all over.
Oh, yeah. Well, you can see, like, if you're on, because down, obviously on this side there aren't any houses, but if you go all the way down, there are like maybe 2 or 3 at the bottom of the street on the other side, and somebody has a deck over there, and apparently for all the EDM fireworks, they like have a big block party on their deck for watching fireworks. Yeah, so that's cool. But whatever they're doing to the west over here down the river, God. Wow. There's a lot happening. It's very tough.
Okay.
He'll usually turn it off at certain points, but he's not as like, yeah. That would be cool. Yeah, definitely.
Am I just asking to be struck by lightning or what? I'm sure you could. See, that's really just cool. It's like all building up over here in the northwest. Ooh, it's so big. The best lightning is right in here. Of course, now that I'm filming, we're not getting any good lightning. No, I really can't. It's.
You can throw it out for a rabbit beef. I've already got a racket and it comes up.
Oh, that was good. I always try to.
From the beach?
Probably.
Don't like. Don't like one bit. Man, our grandma had a apartment next door. We spoke to her back in the evening and looked up at the top of the attic window. They were just flying around.
There's the lightning.
That's the belfry. Grandma said, I've been talking about those for years. I remember she called her mom.
Oh, there's our bat. There's another one.
Yeah, it's talking about hurry.
Bats. No lightning. Oh, I got lucky.
You just hear a bunch of like.
There was like one night, and sometimes you think you hear some things, but then it could just be like a car rattling over an iron piece on the street. There's one night, I swear. It was almost weird because I was like, maybe it's not what I'm hearing, because it sounded like some guy just hollering at the top of his lungs, but it was like going on for a while. And I thought, maybe I'm just hearing things because this guy is going on for a long time. Shouldn't it be? But then I thought I heard some chick's voice chime in, so I thought, well, it sounds like there is an argument going on. And then all of a sudden I heard like a few consecutive bangings that, it's like, okay, it could have been a gun. Yeah. Could have also been a car clanging over something, where you're like,